Hey awesome people, so I hope you guys are doing well. Hey awesome people, if you're here today, then that means you want to know exactly what 2020 is going to look like, right? Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, so 2020, we're here. Happy New Year. If you're not seeing this, then that means something ain't right. But if you're seeing this, then that means you're either subscribed and you're alive and you're well and you're blessed and you're definitely a what? A subscriber, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that red button. Make sure you give me that thumbs up because I definitely need that thumbs up. And if you definitely haven't commented, well, you can take your time, watch this video, and then just let me know what you think as well. Okay, I'm not gonna go too deep into this, okay? We are not here to do a whole TED Talk, okay? But we're definitely gonna look at a couple things. Hello? Hello? Yeah.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you?
I have some things I want to achieve in 2020, but it's not unrealistic goals. I don't want to set no unrealistic goals in 2020. I want to go straight to the point, things that I can achieve easily and work on, right? So in 2020, what are we going to look at? We're going to definitely work on some things. Like I said in my previous video, I lost a lot of things when it comes to faith and things like that. And so I lost a lot of faith in 2018 towards 2019. I still knew what I believed in, but it was just not. It went from here to about here. And that was just not good. It's based on certain things. You know, like I said, I'm not setting any unrealistic goals. I'm just doing things that I can work on. So if it means, okay, anything that I can do within my power and within my strength to be able to, you know, get my faith where it ought to be, that's what's gonna happen, right? So in terms of my faith, I gotta make sure it's on right, it's on point, and it's definitely where it's supposed to be, okay? Okay, second thing we're gonna be working on in 2020, right? We're not giving into any type of negative pressure. We're not giving into any type of pressure, okay? We are not tolerating any type of pressure. Don't feel pressured to do anything you don't want to do. Don't feel pressured to do anything you're not prepared for. Don't feel pressured to be around negative energy. Don't feel pressured to accept anything you don't feel comfortable with. Don't feel pressured into any sort of decision making, okay? At all. 2020 started off with good vibes. 2020 started off positively. Don't get in the middle of it pleasing others, into the middle of it feeling down and regretting a lot. Take your time, think about it, reflect on it, ask questions. I failed on that part, and so I made some mistakes. Please, nicely turn them down if you're not comfortable, okay? Third thing we're gonna be working on, constantly stay optimistic. 2020, like I said, started very good. It started very good. I think for the most part, everybody would agree with me. 2020 came with a lot of promising things. So please, please just keep the energy going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't change nothing about it. Just don't bring in negative thoughts. Keep the positive spirit going. And trust me, that energy pushes you further. Actually, I don't know why I made that the fourth thing. But anyway, one thing that I've been taking very serious for the past couple years is guarding the energy. I'm sure you're probably like, girl, this energy, girl, this energy, girl, this energy you keep talking about. Yes, that changes a lot of things in your life. Guard your energy. The surroundings, the people around you, the things you're doing, the feelings, what you're feeling like. You know what I mean? If you're feeling happy, guard that thing like it's nobody's business. Don't allow anything negative around you. Don't allow anything that will dump in your spirit. Don't allow anything that makes you sad. If you feel like this is not working for you, move. If it's not working for you, run. If it's not working for you, please hop it off, okay? If it's not working, push it aside. There are some things you don't need to tolerate. There are some things you don't need around you, okay? Yeah. These are little things that we usually overlook, but these are the little things that could easily turn you downhill. In 2020, we gonna live. We gonna live. We gonna live. If you're good at what you do, do. If you need to travel, travel. If you need to visit new places, visit new places. If you need new people around you, get them, okay? Anything that makes you feel good, anything that makes you feel satisfied about yourself, do it. Whatever you need to do to live the life to the fullest, do it. I hope you guys agree with me. If you don't and you want to add some things, great. Whatever it may be, put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like I said, it goes a long way. And don't forget to comment. Tell me what you think about what I just said. And of course, don't forget to share this video. Alright guys, so before I step out, of course, remember what? You're allowed to dream it, you're allowed to speak it, and you're definitely allowed to what? Live it, like I said. Alright. So see ya. Peace out.